What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can verify your Paysend email. So let's get started. Also guys, if you're just making your first transfer with Paysend, you can use the promo code from the description below to save up on some fees. So don't forget to grab that so you can save up on some cash. Now, first off, once you open up your Paysend app, if you just recently created your account, you will have this confirm your email notification at the top of your screen. So just go ahead and tap on that, and here just go ahead and tap on continue. Now you will receive a pop-up with the email that you inputted, so just go ahead and tap on confirm current email. Now Paysend sent a confirmation email to your email address, so you would just need to exit Paysend and open up your email. So let's go ahead and do that. So here's the email that they just sent, so I will just tap on confirm email button. And there we go. Our Paysend email has been confirmed. So let's open the app. So as you can see, after we open the app again, the email is now confirmed and that notification is no longer here. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.